Because yes, personal brand is all about me. My business is all about me. And yes, we all want to earn more income and grow in our lives. But let's start with the basic foundation to grow, okay? And that is clarity. Okay, perfect. So I'll be requesting you to use your fingers. Can all of you show me your fingers? We have all of them. They are for a reason. And today we are going to use this, okay? So flex your fingers because we are going to use them a lot. You may be using it for the icons or mostly for typing. And this is because unfortunately we are on the internet. I can't really, be in the same room as you. So that's why we are going to use the chat a lot. If you are okay with that, type in the chat box. Okay. Type in okay. But thank you so much. This is with an intention to make sure that your time here is well spent. आप भले ही यहाँ से बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखो या एक ही चीज़ सीखो, that's absolutely okay. But उसके लिए आपको एक काम करना है. Just keep your notepad ready. नॉर्मली मैं पेन मार्कर सारी चीज़ें रेडी रखती हूँ बिकॉज मैं आपसे भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने वाली हूँ. सो आई विल बी लर्निंग अ लॉट फ्रॉम यू एंड आई होप यू विल बी ऑल्सो लर्निंग अ लॉट फ्रॉम दिस सेशन. सो कीप योर मार्कर्स रेडी, पेन्स रेडी, नोट पैड्स रेडी एंड फिंगर्स रेडी. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल I would love to take one or two shares on what do you think personal brand is. Thank you for all that okays. Amazing, thank you. It fills me up with energy. Thank you. So आप में से कोई ये बताना चाहेगा कि पर्सनल ब्रांड का मतलब क्या है और अपने कॉन्टेक्स्ट में. एंड इससे पहले कि आप जवाब दे दो, मैं आपको बता दूंगी कि रॉन्ग आंसर्स आर ऑल्सो एक्सेप्टेड. कोई मार्किंग नहीं हो रही है. इंदिरा, मेरिल are not going to rank you on your answers, so please feel free to give wrong answers. That is how we learn. Okay, so आपके हिसाब से पर्सनल ब्रांड क्या है? What is personal brand according to you? ओन पर्सनैलिटी. बबीता थैंक यू सो मच. एंड बाय द वे, मैं आप सबको आपके फर्स्ट नेम से एड्रेस करूंगी, तो मैं बबीता जी के जगह पे बबीता कहूंगी. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं बबीता जी की रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करती हूँ. बहुत रिस्पेक्ट, बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. ओके, एस्टैब्लिशिंग योर नेम एज अ ब्रांड. Shubhangi ji, thank you. I like what the different answers which are coming in, and you will see how beautifully woven, interlaced these answers are. And our one and only amazing Meryl has written identity. So I go with this. Keep your answers coming in. आपको क्या लगता है personal brand क्या है? What is a personal brand? And all the answers that have come here are amazing. Because personal brand, it is not a corporate brand that we are talking about. In their authenticity, Mamta, grow with your brand. Love it. Our story and idea behind it. Oh my God, Zania, you're amazing. Own identities. Wow, fabulous. Individual positioning. How cool is that? Can you give yourself a pat on your back saying shabash, shabash? Kya badhiya jawab diye. Wah, wah. Because I really mean it. I'm not just saying it for the sake of saying, because every single words that you have written here, every single answers that you have written here ties to your personal brand. Unlike a corporate brand, which starts with logos and colors and messaging and marketing and positioning, personal brand is about one person. Who is that one person? Type into the chat box. Personal brand is about one person. If I'm talking about your personal brand, अगर मैं आपके personal brand के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, तो वो person कौन है? Type into the chat box who that person is. Who that person is. Yes, keep it writing, keep it coming in. Yes, me. Yes, you have absolute. I love the way Shubhra has written. Shubhra Mishra says the person in context is Shubhra. Amazing. Exactly. My identity says Pratyasha. Tahseen, absolutely right. So your personal brand is all about you. So take a deep breath and release the pressure, because personal brand बनाने के लिए आपको बस आपकी तरह रहना है. It is all about being you. Pressure off your shoulders. Move your shoulders. Come on. Give me a relaxation. Take a deep breath. आज हम कोई रॉकेट साइंस के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे, आज हम आपके सबसे फेवरेट व्यक्ति के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, एंड दैट इज यू योरसेल्फ. ओके, ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो पर्सनल ब्रांड, जैसे कि आप सबने कहा, इट इज ऑल अबाउट यू. इट इज अबाउट how you, what you represent, what you believe in, and what is that you're walking towards. Okay, and now specifically, because all of you are women entrepreneurs, we are going to talk about personal brand in context of selling. आप में से कितने लोग बहुत सारा सेल्स करके बहुत सारी इनकम बनाना चाहेंगे? टाइप इन मी इनटू द चैट बॉक्स इफ यू वुड लाइक टू अर्न अ लॉट ऑफ इनकम, सेल अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, and progressively use your personal brand. Absolutely, me too. And you should not be at all shy of using personal brand. Okay, fabulous. I think I am in the right room with the right set of energy, and let's get started. So I am referring to my notes. मैं आपके लिए पूरे notes बना के ready करके आई हूँ. तो सबसे पहले हम शुरू करेंगे clarity से. Clarity, because yes, personal brand is all about me. My business is all about me. And yes, we all want to earn more income and grow in our lives. But let's start with the basic foundation to grow, okay? And that is clarity. So type in the word clarity in the chat box. Clarity का मतलब है यू नो वेरी क्लियर पिक्चर रहना किसी चीज़ के बारे में. फैबुलस इंदिरा, थैंक यू फॉर लीडिंग द ट्राइब. यस, क्लैरिटी इज वेयर इट बिगिंस. सो क्लैरिटी मतलब हर चीज़ के बारे में अच्छे से जानकारी होना, नॉट ओवर इन्फॉर्मेशन. एंड आई विल टेल यू व्हाई क्लैरिटी इज इंपॉर्टेंट. आज मैं आपको वो फॉर्मूला दे रही हूँ जो नॉर्मली मैं अपने पेड क्लाइंट्स को देती हूँ. ओके, क्लैरिटी, क्लियर इन व्हाट यू नो. एब्सोल्युटली, बिकॉज इन माई ओपिनियन क्लैरिटी लीड्स to awareness. So please type in awareness. So clarity is, let's say, clarity is knowing that I need to get up, getting up in the morning. Think of clarity as knowledge. So please keep writing awareness. Thank you Indira, Vasuki, Babita, Chinchu, Tasin, Zania, Pratyasha, Janvi, Shubhra, Sila, Pratyasha. Wow, lovely, thank you. So clarity leads to awareness. Think of clarity as knowledge or information, and awareness as the wisdom. Difference between knowledge and information and wisdom is knowing how and when to use our information. So knowing कि morning में उठना and walk के लिए जाना बहुत सेहत के लिए अच्छा होता है is a knowledge. Now the next step is being aware कि वो मेरे सेहत के लिए अच्छा होता है. Right? So that is being awareness. Thank you, Meryl. So that is having an awareness, not only having knowledge and information, but having an awareness and wisdom of how, when, and when to use that information. So that is awareness. Now, once again, I'm giving you the formula. Clarity leads to awareness. Awareness leads to action. Please type into the chat box action. Because now think about it once again, okay? So clarity is knowing that yes, getting up in the morning is great. It's helpful for my health. Then awareness is knowing that it is helpful for my health and I should be doing it. I must do it. हमें ये करना है. And then actually taking an action कि मैं ये आज से कर रही हूँ या आज मॉर्निंग में मैं ऑलरेडी वॉक के लिए जाकर आ चुकी हूँ. So that is taking action. So once again, the formula here is clarity leads to awareness. Awareness leads to action. And what does action lead to? What does action lead to? Take a guess. And thank you so much for letting me know that it is making sense. Fantastic. Indra says, action leads to outcome, results. Oh my god, you guys are, आपको कहीं से ये notes मिले हैं शायद. You are right, absolutely right. Results. So once again, clarity. This time I'm going to show you this. So this is just my chicken scratch. Please bear with it. Clarity leads to awareness. Awareness leads to action, and action leads to results. Please make a note of this if you haven't yet. So this is why we are going to be totally aware of what our personal brand is all about. And don't worry, आई एम नॉट अ प्रोफेसर, मैंने कोई PhD नहीं की है. जो भी मैं आपको आज सिखाने वाली हूँ, दैट इज फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंशियल नॉलेज, फ्रॉम माई ओन एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, so let's see how we can use this clarity for our personal brand. And the first thing that we are going to do about clarity is about you. Okay, so even before I could give you the next bit, do this little exercise with me, 30 seconds exercise with me. Are you all ready to do one exercise? Weird है, weird exercise है. अगर आपके आजू बाजू में कोई लोग है और बोलेंगे अरे ये तुम क्या कर रही हो, स्क्रीन पे मुझे दिखा देना और बोल देना ये पागल औरत है यहाँ पे, वैसी चीजें करवाती है हमसे, so ignore मारना. Okay, so you can say that. All right, so let's do this exercise with me. Okay, clear your hands. If you have the phone, keep the phones down, no problem. Keep your hands like this, facing up on your thighs. एकदम रिलैक्स बैठ जाइए मेरे साथ. Okay, 30 seconds or less. All right, and slowly close your eyes and just follow my voice. आपको मुझे देखने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है इस टाइम पे. So just close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. And right now, focus only on yourself. What defines your personality? आपकी personality traits क्या है? अगर कोई आपके बारे में इसी तरह से सोचे, तो वो क्या सोचेंगे? In other words, if anybody is remembering you right now, just the way you're focusing on yourself, what are the 2 or 3 things they will think about? What are your personality traits? क्या आप चुलबुले हो, बबली हो, शांत हो, मैच्योर्ड हो, बहुत ही ज़्यादा हंसमुख हो, बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक हो, एम्बिशियस हो? What are your personality traits? Are you hopelessly optimistic? Do you love walking? Do you love helping? क्या आप helpful हो? So adjectives. आपके बारे में लोग क्या कहते हैं? Forget लोग. आपके बारे में आप क्या कहते हो? Okay? So whenever you're ready, shortlist 3 personality traits. Just 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स आपके शॉर्टलिस्ट कीजिए और धीरे से आंखें खोलिए. एंड वंस यू आर रेडी, टाइप इनटू द चैट बॉक्स रेडी, ताकि मुझे पता चले कि सारे वापस आ चुके हैं और कोई आंखें बंद करके अभी भी ध्यान कंटिन्यू नहीं कर रहा है. ओके, सो टाइप इनटू द चैट बॉक्स रेडी. Indra is back. Fantastic. And while we are waiting for others to be back, now use your fingers again. Move your fingers. And right now, type into the chat box, what are your top 3? Oh my God, Shubhra, you're amazing. The 3 personality traits. So Shubhra ji ने मेरा काम बड़ा ही आसान कर दिया है. So please type in 3 personality traits that you are aware of yourself, you have utmost clarity on. So type in. So and I'm going to read out as much as possible. Shubhra ji says, chulbuli, leader, honest. I love it. Emotional, helping, ambitious, empathetic. Asma, Shubhangi, empathetic, creative learner. Zania, mature, confident, strong. I love it. Chulbuli, energetic, helpful, honest. And Sri Lakshmi Tasin says helping. Priya says kind, helpful, ambitious. Oh my God, this is amazing. Shireen says bubbly, helpful, kind. Janvi, I like the way she has put 1, 2, 3. Kind, susceptible, talented, passionate, optimistic, faithful, says Aditi. Vasuki says stubborn, independent. Stubborn, I like that. Stubborn, independent, matured, ambitious. This is amazing. Thank you so much. Now, all these personality traits that you have written is your personality. And whether or not you believe it, but whenever you start your own corporate brand, your business, these personality traits, yes or no में type in करके लिखिए. These personality traits will seep in into your corporate brand, yes or no. Your personal brand will also reflect your professional brand, yes or no. Absolutely yes. And is that a good thing or a bad thing? Is that a good thing or a bad thing? It's is just an amazing thing. I believe it is have giving your brand a personality. That's a fabulous thing. Absolutely good thing. It's fantastic, says Meryl. Absolutely. I love it. And that is what makes your brand authentic. I think it was Indira who talked about keeping your brand authentic. This is how you keep your brand authentic. अगर आप जैसे मैं जनरली बहुत ज़्यादा मेच्योर्ड या बहुत ज़्यादा लो एनर्जी लेवल पे नहीं रह सकती हूँ. माई एनर्जी लेवल्स आर अ लिटिल बबलिंग ऑल द टाइम. अभी अगर मैं चाहूँ कि मैं ऐसे बैठकर आपको शांत तरीके से कुछ सिखाऊं, मुझे वो तरीका बहुत अच्छा लगता है. वी हैव अ पोएट इन आवर शीरोज कम्युनिटी एंड आई लव द वे शी टॉक्स. But that is not, unfortunately, my brand, right? So that is why you just stay as you are, and because that is your authentic self. We love that, Ruba. Yes, thank you. I love that too. All right, so now let's move on and take that clarity into our personal brand. Okay, so अभी मैं जरा सा ज्ञान दूंगी आपको. 4th century में एक जनाब होकर गए हैं जिनका नाम है एरिस्टोटल. Greek philosophy से थे वो. So he has written something called as 3 modes of persuasion. 3 modes of persuasion, and in that he has talked about what is the framework that we can use for our message to make our message most persuasive. अभी ये मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ? सिंपल, ये थोड़ा सा ज्ञान दे दिया, लेकिन मैं आपको थोड़ा सा कॉन्टेक्स्ट दे देती हूँ. If your marketing message, if your sales message is authentic, just the way you are, and if it is persuasive मतलब कन्विंस करना नहीं होता है. persuasive मतलब सामने वालों को इस पे यकीन दिलाना कि this is what is needed. For example, your products. All of you are selling product services, mostly products, right? But letting your customers know that they need your product and they need your product now, and helping them get that awareness. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Is that a manipulation or not? Is that a good thing to help your customers with your products, with your message? Exactly, it is a very good thing. In fact, I will take it one step ahead and I'll say it is important, it is crucial कि आपको वो करना है. तो उसके लिए हम आपको एक थोड़ा सा messaging का information दे देंगे. Right now I'm going to give you a framework for your messaging. I'm shifting the thing. All right, I'm shifting it a little bit to directly give you a message. ताकि मैसेज फ्रेमवर्क. सो अभी मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ 4 स्टेप मैसेज फ्रेमवर्क एंड विल टॉक अबाउट इट इन जस्ट अ वाइल. 4 स्टेप मैसेज फ्रेमवर्क. भले आप वीडियो पे मैसेज दो, भले आप रिटन पोस्ट करो, आप ईमेल करो, या किसी से 1-to-1 फोन कॉन्वर्जेशन या फेस टू फेस कॉन्वर्जेशन करो. इफ यू फॉलो दिस 4 स्टेप मैसेज फ्रेमवर्क, your sales will become easy. और जैसे कि आप सबने कहा था, we would love to create more income and more financial freedom in life. So this 4-step message framework is for you, and it is based on it is something that I use even today, and it is based on amazing philosophies which has been running from 4th century, and it is used by all over the world, all the brands over the world, all the leaders over the world. Okay, so before that, let us start with this thing. First of all, if you are selling something, you obviously need to know whom you are selling to. So target audience clarity, right? TA, target audience. आप में से कितने को लगता है कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट दुनिया के सारे लोग यूज कर सकते हैं? Let's say you are selling combs. जिनके भी बाल है वो तो प्रोडक्ट यूज कर ही सकता है आपके, right? However, target audience clarity is taking it one notch up and making it more specific. Ki yes, a comb can be used by everyone on this planet, but I'm going to focus mainly on women with long hair, and she is a working woman. Now you see the difference. मैं मेरा messaging, मेरा targeting, मेरी advertisement, I will be targeting it to women. But will the men use it? आप में से कितने लोग जानते हैं कि Fair and Lovely की जो ads थी, they were all targeted to women? Yes. But how many of you have seen men, your husbands, your brothers, your boyfriends, and other men using Fair and Lovely? I have seen so many. How many of you have seen? Type in me. Type in me if you have seen Fair and Lovely used by men. Yes, exactly. Exactly. So it does not matter if you focus your advertisement message only to a specific lady. If you are selling a comb and if you're focusing your message only on working women with long hair, shoulder length or beyond, that will just make your message more crisp and clear. Fair and Lovely and Fair and Handsome, yeah, उसी की वजह से आया वो, because Fair and Lovely got to know that there are so many men using their product, and that's when they changed. But when they talk about Fair and Handsome, they don't make Fair and Handsome advertisement for women. They make it only for men. So this is called as target audience clarity. My cousin brother used it. Yeah, exactly. My brother used it at one point of time. So target audience clarity के लिए आपको सिर्फ तीन सवालों का जवाब देना है. One is who. Who is my target audience? So please write into the chat box who. Who is my target audience? Who? WHO. Who? The second question that you need to answer is what's their biggest pain? उनकी सबसे ज़्यादा तकलीफ बड़ी वाली क्या है? So who is my target audience and what is their biggest pain? So what is their pain or biggest pain? So just type in what. Who is my target audience? A lady with a long hair, shoulder length or more, working women is my target audience. What is her biggest pain point? Well, she has very little time. She has a kid to manage. She's running amazing work. She runs her own business. She's a very busy person and her hair is frizzy. It takes a lot of time to detangle. So what is their biggest pain? It could be in the context of your product. Third is, where can I find them? अगर आप ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन, टाइप इन वेयर, WHERE, वेयर, अगर आप ये थर्ड क्वेश्चन का आंसर बैठ के शांति से दोगे, योर हाफ ऑफ द सेल वर्क इज डन. Where do I find them? Exactly. So type in where. So in order to do that, think about 4 to 5 groups online. In fact, make it 10. Write down in your book 10 group names where you will find your specific target audience. All right. So in order to leverage our personal brand to sell our products, we started with target audience clarity. If you don't know how else can you use target audience clarity, I have written an ebook which is exclusively on target audience. Reach out to me. This is not a forum where I need to talk about it, but reach out to me separately if you need help in identifying your target audience clarity in less than 24 hours. Reach out to me separately. But let's come back to the how do we use our personal brand to sell more products and make more money. So first is knowing who your target audience is. उसके लिए मैंने आपको 3 सवाल दिए हैं. So उसका जवाब आपको लिखना है. शांति से बैठ के उसका जवाब लिख लीजिए. The second thing that you need to know is your ETR. So ETR का full form है earn the right. And personal brand में if you focus on ETR, it has got something to do with ethos, which is again goes back to the 4 modes, the 3 modes of persuasion. But I'm not going a little technical because ये जो personal brand वाली training है, ये normally मेरी 3 days की in-depth training होती है. So I'm trying to give you as much as possible. So ETR is earn the right. In other words, what is your credibility? लोग वो products जो भी खरीदने हैं वो आपसे क्यों खरीदे? What makes your personal brand unique? What is your USP? Why should I listen to Rupa Patil? Who is she to come and talk? Okay, so ETR will fix that, and by the end of this session, each one of you will have a clarity on how to present your ETR or get your ETR in less than 30 to 60 seconds. And in order to do that, I invite you to do a process. Now, we don't have much of time, so unfortunately I cannot do this process with you. If you would need more in-depth analysis on it, reach out to me. But right now, just make notes on this process and do it later. Okay? And the process is called as your hero's journey or heroine's journey, as 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 you want to talk it. To me, my mom is my hero, so use the word hero as a gender free context. Hero's journey, Shiro's journey. Oh my god, Meryl, that is why you are such a rock star. I love you for that. Shiro's journey. So let's focus on our Shiro's journey. शीरोज जर्नी की जैसे ही आपको क्लैरिटी मिलेगी, आपको पता चलेगा कि आप में वो क्या खूबी है जो शायद आप भूल चुके हो या जिसको आप बहुत ही ग्रांटेड लेते हो. ओके, सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट शीरोज जर्नी. Meryl, thank you so much for bringing this in. Let's start it. Okay, so the way you identify your Shiro's journey is जैसे कि हमने पहले एक्सरसाइज में किया, clear your hands, clear your mind, get everybody out of your room and sit in a meditative posture and think about one situation where it was adverse. बहुत ही difficulty थी आपकी लाइफ में. ऐसा क्या हुआ था wherein you were in pain or you had faced some major financial challenge, emotional challenge, personal crisis, professional crisis. Okay? So think about that situation. And then from that ordinary you, what steps did you take? What journey did you take in order to reach this extraordinary point, the high point of your life today? It could be not necessarily कि पहले मेरे पास कुछ पैसे नहीं थे, अभी मैं लाखों में खेल रही हूँ. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about something as simple as, let's say, I know there are probably hardly any youngsters here, but let's say that you were romantically involved with somebody, आपका heart break हो गया, and you really did want to give up on your the fancy part of life, but then something changed in you. आपने कुछ तो ऐसा अलग किया कि वहाँ से निकल कर आप एक बहुत ही predominantly positive mode of life में आए. And then you started loving yourself. आपको कोई boyfriend की ज़रूरत नहीं थी आपको बताने के लिए कि you are awesome. Or it could be in your professional life that you were holding a job and overnight suddenly आपको बोला गया कि you are not needed in your job. That was heartbreaking. So what journey did you take to come to that extraordinary self of today? और आपने सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट इस जर्नी से आपको ये लिखना है, आपको शीरोज जर्नी से ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि आपने क्या सीखा. द 2 or 3 थिंग्स दैट बिल्ड योर कैरेक्टर. आपको याद है आप सब ने 3 कैरेक्टर्स लिखे अपने बारे में, उसमें से कितने सारे लोगों ने लिखा था हम्बल, सेल्फ अवेयर, लविंग, मैच्योर, बबली, हेल्पफुल. ये सारे आपके जो पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स आए, this were made in the Shiro's journey. Mamta says self-love plus self-confidence plus self-dependence, Shiro's journey. Love it. Love it. And Mamta is writing from her own experience. इसी तरीके से आपको आपके खुद के experiences से वो journey आपको याद करनी है. एक story, 2 stories, and you will identify there is a pattern. अगर आज आप confident हो, वो उसके वजह से हो because you have gone through all that. And not everybody has gone through your journey. Your journey is unique to you. So whatever your unique character is, your unique experiences are, that is what has made you. तो अपने business में वो unique characters को implement कीजिए in your ETR, which I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give you in fact the framework for ETR, and then I will finish with the 4-step framework. So the ETR framework, because you have already written ETR, I'm going to give you the ETR template. You can alter this template as you want. Okay, so please type it into your notebook. So please make a note into your notebooks, because I'm going to give you a template of how to make sure that within 30 to 60 seconds you establish your credibility. ETR is nothing but a credibility. Okay, and I'm going to give you a template right now. Please make a note of it. So you can start with, my name is so and so. My name is dash. I am from dash, whichever your location is from. So I am from so and so place in India or other places. Third, I am passionate about. आप जॉब करो, बिजनेस करो, फ्रीलांसिंग करो, अगर पैशन नहीं है तो आप लाइफ का मजा ही नहीं उठा रहे हो. So identify what you are passionate about. So write down, I am passionate about, and whatever that is, fill in the blanks. मैं आपको fill in the blanks template दे रही हूँ, ठीक है? Once again, my name is so and so. I am from such and such place. I'm passionate about whatever that thing is for you because I believe. आप पैशनेट क्यों हो? आपको utmost clarity है and you are saying I'm passionate about something not just because you want to say but because you truly mean it. So you can write I am passionate about so and so because I believe, yeah, because whatever the reason is. So because, that is the next one. And the last one is I am. I am, and fill in the blanks with whatever credibility you have with you. Need not be fancy certifications. मैं इसका एक example दूंगी so that it's super easy for you to understand. Once again, the template is my name is fill in the blanks. Second, I am from fill in the blanks. Third, I'm passionate about fill in the blanks because fill in the blanks. And last, I am so and so. Okay, are you ready for the example? This is the second last thing that I'm covering today. Ready for the example? Type in ready or type in ETR if you're ready for it. Awesome. Thank you. So this is my example. My name is Rupa Patil. I am from Bangalore, India. I am passionate about heart-centered leadership and masterminds because I believe that the world needs more heart-centered leaders today than ever. And I am a certified mastermind professional. I am a business mentor, trainer, coach, event planner, speaker, and I'm passionate to serve you, my dear heart-centered leader. That's all. So इस ETR में I have covered every possible bit that I have given to you. ये आपको practice के साथ आएगा. And my only request to you is, ये जो टेम्पलेट है इसमें एक छोटा सा वीडियो आप रिकॉर्ड कीजिए और शीरोज पे पोस्ट कीजिए. इंदिरा जी को टैग कीजिए, मुझे टैग कीजिए, मेरिल को टैग कीजिए और एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट कीजिए. Because this ETR video you can use it anywhere. And by the way, जो आप फर्स्ट ETR वीडियो बनाओगे, सेकेंड वीडियो बनाओगे, क्या उसमें अंतर रहेगा? होना ही चाहिए. Because the first ETR video could be absolutely, ढीला ढाला, and that's absolutely okay. That's your first step. The second, third, fourth, fifth version, every week you can create a new ETR video. Okay? Now use this ETR video on your shop. शीरोज ने आपको इतनी ब्यूटीफुल संधि देके रखी हुई है, सुविधा देके रखी है कि आप वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो. I have a shop on Shiroz and you can record a video. So use this ETR to record that video. Once again, the template is my name is so and so, I am from so and so, I am passionate about because so and so, and I am. If you commit to try doing this ETR video, and does not matter, आप जॉब में रहो, आप बिजनेस में रहो, आप नेटवर्क मार्केटर हो या आप अफिलिएट मार्केटर हो या आप फ्रीलांसर हो, आप स्टूडेंट हो, डज नॉट मैटर. यू हैव अ पर्सनल ब्रांड and this video will just bring out that personal brand with much more clarity. Awesome. Thank you. And the last part that I have for today is 4-step framework. But before that, I would like to invite Indira or Meryl to let me know if this is what is going, and I would just take a halt and get any questions. So Indira, over to you. Let any questions come in at this point of time.
Hello, ma'am. Actually, I was asking about this framework, like my name is and I am passionate about. So usually we expect to say a one clear thing when we say I'm passionate about, but usually when we are youngsters, like 20 or early 20s or teenage, then we have a lot of dreams and we don't really know what to do in our life. So we just explore things. So when I'm 20 years old, so what should I say when I say I'm passionate about? Because clearly I am just exploring things and I have a lot of things in my head. I haven't decided any one thing. Yeah.
What a lovely question, Zania. I love it. So my answer to that will be whatever you're currently most passionate about. And especially if are you a business owner, Zania?
Yeah, I have a shop in Shiroz. And
okay.
skincare blog in Instagram and many
Love
things.
it. And many things, exactly. And this is a good problem to deal with. When I work with other people from other countries, they're still trying to explore ideas and, find out what they are passionate about. Having many areas to be passionate about, good problem to deal with. Congratulations. So my suggestion would be is, let's say what is your shop on Shiro's about? What is that shop about?
It's about skincare and self care, and yeah,
Fabulous. So why do you have a shop on Shiro's on skincare? Why not
because
anything else?
that's what I do. I have a blog in skincare because I personally believe in it. That's my way to de-stress. I have a story behind that because I was really in a bad stage of life, and I decided that self-care is important if you want a satisfied life. Hard work is important, but self-care is important too, and that's how everything came up: the blog, the shop, and that's
Susanna, I think you already have the answer. It is just about fine tuning it. If you have a shop on Shiro's, if your blog is all about self care, talk about how passionate you are about self care, and then tie it back to your shop. Simple. Does
yeah.
that answer your question?
Yeah, definitely. But there's another part that I am
Sure.
also, a writer. I like to want to explore content writing and write poems which are of very dark theme, like very different from self care. So somewhere I feel like I'm living in a split personality. One side I'm very positive, one side I'm extremely, negative, and that. That's sort of
So I think it all depends on where are you going to position this message.
yeah.
When you're
So
talking with Shiros and your customers and your blog visitors, then that is the side that you talk about, right? And when different audience, different message for different audience. Even those of you who are running business, including me, I have multiple different business segments, multiple different ETR videos, and multiple products. So whenever I talk about something passionate, I have this one core theme, which is my high level of mission, which I keep repeating everywhere. But then I have very unique message for my TACT, my target audience. Remember, we did the target audience. That's why I said, even before you could talk about ETR, come back to your target audience, who your target audience is, what is their biggest pain point, and then position your ETR. Once you do that, you'll feel, and again, no stress on your shoulders. Okay, so tap your shoulders. There's no stress on your shoulders. You are evolving, and your message will evolve as well. Is that cool?
thank you so much.
You're
Really
most welcome.
helpful.
Just before we go
Deepa.
there, I think Deepa has a question. Yeah.
Yes, welcome, Deepa.
Yeah, Rupa, just you said like regarding this target audience, right? I just want to focus on it, like exactly like how we have to go about to going for this target audience. It depends upon the products, like what we having, like we have to choose the whichever audiences, like we have to choose and pitch the products to them, like how we can get in touch with them, like how to get a relationship with them, and like what kind of conversations we have to keep with our target audience. I just need some suggestions from your end, like how can we go for it, like a more depth on it.
Okay, all right. Great question, Deepa. Thank you for asking. So, what is your product or your shop all about, or business all about?
So it's I deal with all this fashion and lifestyle, kitchenware, utensils. It's like a combination of everything, all the products. Like I go for it. So like I need to concentrate on which products I have to pitch for the customers, and I have to choose the target audiences, or I can share my links to them, like how to go for it. Like is like I need some clear suggestions from your end, like how to go for it, because I get sometimes confused on this, like how to deal with those kind of audiences, like how to get in touch with them, like what kind of conversations I need to talk to them, like how to grab their attentions towards my side. So that is what like I'm looking for.
All right. And is this Deepa Rani by any chance?
Yeah, it's me.
Hey, yes, I have been your customer. Yes. All right, all right. Nice to connect with you here. So, Deepa, I think the same message that I gave to Zania, all of us, many of us, and especially as we succeed in one business, it's only obvious that we will add more products, add more services, and diversify as well. And when that happens, these questions can either occur at the beginning or towards the the second half of the journey. So it's obvious question. So in your case, I know where you're talking about, and that's why I asked that question. So in other words, whichever product you are focusing on right now, you need to have a very good clarity about the target audience for that particular product. For example, your kids related product, the toys that I had purchased from you. Now the target audience for that is predominantly mothers or single fathers. Okay, so it could be very, very focused on that. On the other hand, your beauty products could again have a segment. Is it a men's beauty product or a women's beauty product? Whom are you focusing on? Even in that, your age group can be very well defined. So I know, especially when we become resellers of products, we may end up having a lot of products. And let's say that we are having so much diverse products that we can't really, it's impossible to have a specific target audience for each product. This, and only then I want you to use this tactic, not otherwise, is what you can try is, again, once again, if you can have a very defined target audience for your specific products or product groups, great. That will be my suggestion number one and my preferred suggestion. But if you have so many diverse products, let's say you have beauty, you have games, you have stationery, you have food items, you have this and that. Now these are so diverse that you can either see what is the similarity in them. Are they all women-owned products? Or they are otherwise, are they all sustainable products? Are they all environmental friendly products? See if you have any commonalities or similarities between them. Even if that doesn't happen, then take the next step, and this is my last suggestion, and that would be is to collectively see them as gift options. I mean, just one suggestion. It could be gift items. It could be, how can you package those products to create a gift together? So you can classify it as gift for her, gift for him, gift for kids, gift for health conscious people, gift for people like Meryl who are very sustainability friendly, environmental friendly people. So think about it, find out some commonalities, and then build your target audience. Does that make sense, Deepa?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, I got your point.
You're
Okay,
most
no,
welcome.
because what I'm asking is like how we have to, I mean, initially bring up the conversations like to the customers. Like, is there like any
Ah.
greet? Yeah, I just wanted that. Like,
Lovely. So that brings me to my last point, which I have here, and that is a
okay,
four-step framework. I hope you'll find answers in that. So
sure.
in this, and once again, Deepa, thank you very much for asking question. Give it up for Deepa. Type in the word,
Yeah,
the letter D for Deepa in the chat box, because it takes a lot to ask that question. So I have 4 minutes to go, and I'll quickly share with you a 4-step framework. Now this framework, Deepa, enjoy, all that love is coming to you. So this particular 4-step framework is to open a communication with your target audience. So to leverage your personal brand, you have already done the hard work and identify what are your credibility factors, what is your ETR, who your target audience is, where to find them. All that work you have already done. What is their biggest pain point? You have written all that. Now is the time to make the sell. So make the sale. Now this particular message is not for selling. This is masterclass is not for selling, but it is leveraging personal brand. So I'll keep it really simple and short. So the 4-step framework is, write it in the chat box. The first step is hook. HOOK, hook. Now hook is a question that you open your attention, you grab the attention of a person who is continuously scrolling on their mobile. Hook is a question that you ask. If you go and pick any of my videos on YouTube or any other channel, it typically starts with a question. Are you a mother in business? Are you a mother in business with long hair? Are you a health conscious person who cannot cook because of lack of time? You're getting the drift? This is a question, and I'm asking a question based because I know what is the biggest pain point of my target audience. Now we are all combining it together. You know your target audience, and now you're asking a question which is directly related to their biggest pain point. And that is a hook. That is how I'm going to open my conversations. I'm never going to open my conversation saying, "Hi, my name is Rupa, and blah, blah, blah." Nobody cares. But if I ask, are you a woman in business who would love to leverage your personal brand to sell more products? Probably they may be interested in reading more. Okay, so that's the hook. The second part is story. So please type it in the chat box, story. STORY, story. Now, this story is what we talked about, that hero's journey. I loved what Zania mentioned, that there is a reason, there is a story behind why I'm so passionate about self-care. I believe self-care, blah, 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 whatever that is. Now, that brief story, that could be a story in conversation. Now, the story part is optional, especially when you are speaking one-to-one with somebody, giving a talk, recording a video about your store. This particular framework, this particular segment of this framework, utilize it fully. Talk about your hero's journey. Where were you? Where did you come? And so on and so forth. So that is your story in which you are having a direct emotional connect with your target audience, also called as pathos. So anyway, I'll not get into nitty-gritties. So hook, story, teach. Teach. Please type in teach, TEACH. Now, if you want to really see what this looks like in action, follow Meryl's blogs. Follow Meryl's posts. I love it. She talks about, why. I was just telling her about one of her posts where she talked about the sustainable combs, the wooden combs that she switched over to. She gave her reasons, and then she talked about why that switch is so important. That is where she gave some logical points. Okay, and that is, yes, reviews from Meryl's are awesome. Exactly, and they are awesome. We all can relate to that. It's because she is beautifully integrating those components in her posts, and you too should absolutely integrate those components in your message. So once again, hook, story, teach, and then the CTA. Type in CTA or offer. CTA is call to action or offer. Call to action could be something like click here to buy from me, browse here, click here to browse about more products. So that is this, or contact me. This is my WhatsApp number. Email me. This is my email address. I love it, Meryl. Thank you. Hook, story, teach, CTA. This is a beautiful four-step framework that you can utilize anywhere. Tweak it as per your need. You can use hook, story, teach, CTA in a post, in a video, in a blog post, in an article, in a sales video, in a sales email letter, anything. But this is something that I invite you to experience. Don't just write your posts, especially your sales post. Don't just talk about your products. Talk about hook, story, teach, CTA as much as possible. And that was the last bit that I had to deliver. And please, I'm looking forward for all of you doing that short ETR video. And if you can do that, you can absolutely reach out to me, by the way, for any questions that you have. Just tag me. Ask that question on Shiro's. Tag me, because I'm sure there would be others having the same question as well. I look forward to see real life transformations in you and in your sales figures. Thank you. Thank you, Meryl and Indira, for having me here today.